Hello, welcome to Pretty Plump and Trying. My name's Amanda. If you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button below if you're interested in beauty, plus size fashion, unboxings, and more. Today I'm going to be trying out the Alamar Spanglish palette I got in my BoxyCharm yesterday. I said I was going to try it first thing in the morning, and that's exactly what I'm doing. Oh, and I'm going on like 2.5 hours of sleep, so fingers crossed that this look is going to come out mildly okay. If you guys are not familiar with this palette, it is a 8-pan palette. Let me show you the colors. Very pretty colors. I'm going to try to do something pretty basic. I'm literally only going to maybe 2 places today. And yeah, so I'm not going to go crazy. I literally don't have anything on my face right now. I figured I would test out the palette and hopefully get a decent look. I am going to also try out the Hank&Henry lipstick I got yesterday from my BoxyCharm. So yeah, we'll see what kind of look I come up with, and hopefully it's not too much of a disaster. I did already set my lids with Wet n Wild Brulee. It's just a little shadow that I like to set my eyelids with, so we can hopefully get a decent color payoff with this palette. I'm thinking what I'm going to do is do this shade all over the lids and then go from there. So I will literally grab one of my brushes. This is old. I can't literally see who even made it. So let's go with this color. It's like a peachy pink color, and we're just going to do this all over the lids. I'm actually getting to see 2 of my friends who I have not seen in almost 8 months, so I am really excited. I might not sound it because it is the morning and my voice is always a little jacked up in the morning, especially with fall. Allergies are here and they are just making their presence very known. So let's just see. I think it's actually coming off more pink than I thought it was going to, so oops. Either way, so far though, it is pretty pigmented, and I do like this shade. I don't know if I would use this on its own again. I might use it in conjunction with other palettes, but let's see what I can do today. Okay. Not too crazy, but not bad. And I'll definitely use this palette again, but this is just a good first impression and a quick eye look. Alright, let's go ahead with a little bit of powder, but not too much. Let's go in with this deeper orange and go on the outside corner. They do have names underneath each color, but I know for a fact I will mess up these names, so I am not trying to do that today. Quite a bit of powder, but it does look like a pretty shade, and then I'm just going to tap it on the outer corner of my eye. Yeah, it's a pretty color. I'll definitely use this palette, and I do like Alamar Cosmetics in general. I did hear they are going to Target, so that is really exciting. I'll definitely be keeping an eye out for products. We'll just have to see. And we're just gonna keep tapping it. It's not gonna be a crazy look, I don't think. I say this now, but we will see. Alright, but yeah, it's definitely not a bad palette so far. I definitely want to check out the shimmers. There is 4 shimmers and 4 mattes, so at least it is a good balance of colors and shimmers, so yeah, we'll see. Okay, and let's try, let's go with this shimmer right here. I'm just gonna use my finger Okay, well, not the best feeling, but let's see. I'm just gonna... Okay, it's pretty though. Not the best feeling, but you know, if the payoff's correct, it's okay. Just patting it in. Yeah, that's pretty. And let's use this brush again and hopefully blend that out a little bit more. It's not going to be a crazy look, but I'll let you guys see it so far. Not bad, not too much fallout on my face either, so I'm definitely appreciative of that. Let's see, what am I going to do for my under eye? And then I think I'm going to use my tried and true. I've had this for, I think, a year, and I've hit quite a bit of pan on it. It's Wet n Wild. It's Precious Petals right here. Pretty color. I might do that in just the inner eye part to brighten it up just a little bit more, but let's see. I think for the under eye, I'm going to go with, do I want to do the pink or the brown? You know what? Let's go with a little bit of the pink. Why not? It's a pretty color. Let's just go underneath the eye, just slightly. Again, it's pretty. You're not going to be able to see it too much just because of my eye shape, but it is definitely a pretty color. Quite vibrant too. I'm just excited to see people. Little side note. I have been very cautious on seeing everybody, especially with current events and, you know, practicing social distancing and all this stuff. But we had this planned for over a month and a half, and I'm just super excited. We each are bringing a little something, and she has a really nice little outdoor area, so we don't have to worry about being just in closed doors. It's going to be hopefully a nice day. It doesn't look too bad outside, so fingers crossed it stays this way, but I'm just super excited to actually see them and vent and talk and just chat. I don't know, I'm excited. And the one just announced she was pregnant on Monday, so I was online fast, quick, and in a hurry trying to make sure I had stuff for today for her. And I expect like this under eye makeup is going to be gone anyway because I'll end up tearing up. I'm just that kind of dork, I guess, but I'm excited for her. I was there for her wedding, and she's starting a new chapter in her life, and I know she's gonna be, I know she's gonna be just an amazing mom because she's just an amazing person in general. So I'm super excited to see her and give her some things. They don't know the sex of the baby yet, so I went for like neutral colors just in case. But the one onesie that I did get says that I'm cute, my mom's hot, dad's lucky. I loved it, and I just thought it was just so true. But so far, there you go. Not bad, and I actually really like the pigmentation on it. Let's use my Wet n Wild and just brighten up that eye duct area a little bit. Did not have a look planned, and I'm still okay with it. It's not crazy intense, but still it's a pretty look so far, or it's actually coming to an end, so I am not mad at the palette at all. I'll definitely use this again, like I stated before, just maybe more colors. I'll definitely try out more shimmers, but yeah, pretty. Let's go under the brow bone with this as well. And this will actually, this look will match the leggings I'm going to wear today because I'm just going full on comfort. These girls do not judge me. You know, we like to just vent and talk, and since we haven't seen each other in so long, it'll just be nice to just sit at the picnic table, eat just random foods. It's fall season, so we definitely went for a pumpkin fest kind of vibe. So I know the one girl is making pumpkin whippy pies. I decided to go a healthier route because I know we're surprising her with a cake too. So I brought a veggie tray, or I'm bringing a veggie tray. And I think we're gonna do pizza, so my veggie tray is pointless, but you know, I tried. So let's see. Yeah, I think this is the finished eye look. Not bad. It's definitely orange. Let's do some mascara. We'll just do the L'Oreal Voluminous in Burgundy. Again, this is just a slight hint of burgundy shade, so it won't be bad. Do you have my mirror right here? So I will do this. I also started to decorate my home for Halloween, so I'm super excited. There's a couple Halloween palettes that interest me. The one from BH, the smaller one. I know they had two that they look nice, but the smaller one is speaking to me a little bit more than the bigger one, so I'm tempted to get that one for Halloween. I also have a different background for fall and Halloween, so in the next couple videos I'll look to switch to the fall background, so hopefully that'll be nice. Yeah, there we go. Let's have that dry a little bit. But first impressions, it's a nice palette. The eye look is, you know, it's not too crazy, and I can definitely look to use more of the shimmers in a different look, but yeah, not bad at all. So let's, hopefully my mascara is dried a little bit. Put on my glasses so I can actually see. Yeah, it's not a bad look. It's a orangey pink look. Didn't know what I was doing, so hey, could be worse. So I am gonna try this lipstick, which I should have realized the color of this as a just in case, but I didn't. So, oh well, we'll see if it goes together, I guess. Let's see. Now I haven't used, oh, it's a nude color. It's okay. It's not, might not be my first choice because I think it does go pretty similar to my skin tone, but it's not bad. I would use this color in conjunction with something else, I think. Yeah, definitely with something else. It's okay. I wanted to try it out. It's an interesting formula. Like I said, I'm so used to the liquid lipstick now that I'm kind of spoiled by that. But it's not bad. Let me go a little bit closer so you guys can actually see the final look. Again, I don't have a lot of makeup on right now. I knew I wasn't, you know, going too many places, and my friends don't care. They've seen me look a mess and they've seen me look okay. So luckily, you know, it's not about the looks to any of my friends. So I'm quite happy and excited to see them and talk. Anyway, but that was it. I hope you liked my little first impressions and this look with the Alamar Spanglish palette. Just a quick reminder that you are strong. You are graceful. You are fearless. And if today is not a good day, that's okay. All we can do is try. Bye, guys.